Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Unplanned Flow. I'm here in New York on a cold January day. Happy New Year, by the way. Um, I just wanted to talk about something a little bit different from my traveling vlog videos. Let's talk about something that a lot of us can relate to, and that's sharing your YouTube channel with friends. You might think, hey, I'm making great content. My friends will love it, right? But before you rush to click that share button, let me give you a few reasons why you might want to rethink it. First off, not everyone is going to support you. No matter how much you believe in your content, there are always going to be people, friends included, who just don't get it. Some will even straight up criticize you, not because your work isn't good, but because they're looking for a reason to tear you down. You'll find that some people will never be satisfied. That's just life, right? They'll nitpick, criticize, or just hit the dislike button without even giving your work a fair chance. And here's the thing, it's not about your content, it's about them. People who are miserable, stuck in their own issues, and unwilling to try walking a day in your shoes, man, they don't know the hours you spend editing, the ideas you pour your heart into, the way you have pushed through doubts and insecurities just to hit the publish button. And guess what? They never will. And that's their problem. Straight up, it's just their problem. But sometimes the negativity will sting. It really will sting. We're humans, right? It makes you feel like maybe you're not cut out for this, or that your friends don't care. But here's the harsh truth. People who are most likely to criticize you are the ones who don't have the courage to put themselves out there. They don't have the guts to create, to be vulnerable, to take risks. So instead, they sit on the sidelines, tossing dislikes and judgment. Let me share you something personal. I started my YouTube channel over 8 years ago. Yeah, that's right, 8 years. And looking back, I can honestly say that part of the reason why my channel hasn't taken off the way I wanted it to, not because my content isn't good, but because I was too focused on what others thought. I didn't want to be that person, the one who seems like they were bragging every time they posted something about their travels or their experience. I held back. I thought if I shared this with my family and friends, they may judge me. I didn't post content because I didn't want to come off as showing off or making people feel bad. I wanted to be humble and not annoy anyone. But the truth is, I was letting my fear of other people's opinion hold me back from sharing my journey. It wasn't about bragging. It wasn't about sharing my life and experience that mattered to me. The thing is, consistency is key to growing your channel. And I wasn't being consistent because I was so worried about how my friends or family would perceive me. I held myself back from doing what I love because I didn't want to seem like I was putting myself out there too much. I look at things now. I've learned that I shouldn't let the fear of how others perceive me stop my progress. I'm making content because I want to, because I believe in my content, not for validation or approval. And you should too. Don't let the people who aren't supportive hold you back because you'll never make progress if you're constantly trying to please them. There are people out there, thousands, even millions, who will appreciate what you're doing. They'll get it. Even when your friends and family don't, you just have to focus on the right audience. Share your work with the world, not just the people who might not understand. So the next time you think about sharing your YouTube channel with friends or family, ask yourself, do I really need their validation? And you don't. Your journey is yours. Create because it matters to you. Don't worry about how others see it. Keep making the content that you are proud of and let the critics stay in the background. Keep creating, keep pushing forward, and let the haters hate. They'll never be able to stop your shine. And that's what I'm realizing. It may take a little longer. I might don't have the money to spend on my YouTube channel or the right people to see it, but I'm taking my time. It's a slow grind, and I will get there. The world will see the unplanned flow.